Hi everyone, this is Mr. Kasinga. In this video, we'll look at a question based from 2023 paper 1 GCE. Okay, this is my number in case you want online tuitions. So this question is question is 16. In the diagram, A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of the circle. So the circumference is the total distance around the circle. We have A, B, C, and D with center O. So center O, which is there, then BD is equal to AD, meaning the angle, the base angles, they will be same. The angle which is here and this side, they will be same. That's why you're able to see these two lines. And ADB is equals to 40 degrees. So the angle which is here is 40 degrees. Now let's look at the questions. So the first question, they are saying we find the angle AOB. So I always tell my student to make an arc on the angle that they want. So here they are saying AOB. So AOB. So what they want is this one. Okay. Now how can we find AOB? So AOB, you can find it easily just by observation. We know this is the circumference. We know the property angles at the circumference are twice the angles at the center. So there is a provision here. We can just say there, okay, let me just show you how you can find this. We can just say A or B is equals, because you have to show your work, we say 40 times 2. Then A or B is equals to 40 times 2 is 80 degrees. So which means at this point there is 80 degrees. Okay. And which property have we used? Angles at the circumference are twice the angles at the center. So that is A. After finding A, you put here. You can just say A or B is equals to 80 degrees. Is 1 mark. This is how you answer examination questions. Then we go here. They say we should find BCD. Okay, so let's follow the letters. B, C, D. So what they want is the angle which is here. Now, this is not a direct angle. It's not something you can just go straight forward when you solve. No. Okay. But remember that we look at opposite angles. For us to find the angle which is there, first of all, we have to know the angle which is here. So that when you know the angle which is here, you'll be able to subtract with 180, then you find this angle. Okay, because opposite angles, they add up to 180 degrees. So first of all, let's find the angle which is there. Okay, so we are going to solve it. So for you to follow, I've just get the important part, what they want. This is 40, and the angle which is here and this side there, they are same. You see, I've just get the important part for you to see. So right now, we're going to find the angle which is here and this side. To do that, we'll just say 180 minus a 40. This 40 which is there, then we divide by 2. Okay, why by 2? Because the angle which is here and this side, they are same. So when I say 180 minus 40, I'll get 140 degrees, then over a 2. Then this 2 into 140, we know 2 into 14 is 7, but here there is 0. It will give us 70 degrees. This implies that this side there is 70, also that side there is 70, so that when you add 70 plus 70 plus 40, you'll be able to get 180, because the angles in the interior, the interior angle is in a triangle add up to 180. Okay, so here it means that, let me use a different pen for you to see. So it means these base angles, here we have 70 degrees, and also here 70 degrees. Okay, now this angle, it will just help us to find where I've marked with red ink there. They want BCD. To find BCD, you have to first to know this angle and this, the opposite angle. Okay, remember, if here we have x, this x plus 70, x plus 70, you should be able to get 180. So this is the reason we have to know that angle. Okay, now since I know, then now I can show it from working here. I can show that BC, this one was A, this is B, so BCD, now it will be 180 minus 70. Okay, this 70, okay, minus 180, I'll be able to get the angle which is there. Now BCD equals 180 minus 70, we'll get 110 degrees. Okay, so the answer will be 110 degrees. Then you go here, okay, just write BCD equals to 110 degrees. 1 mark for you to do that. So here there is 110 degrees. You see that? Then the last one, OBD. Remember to follow the letters. They are saying OBD. So let's go and look at OBD. So this is O, B, then D. You see that? O, B, D. Now what they want, it is the angle which is here, inside here. Okay, here. Where I've put a dot like this. I'll change it to black pen. They just want O, B, then D. You see that? They just want this angle which is there. Okay, which is here. Now if you look at this nicely, we have said the whole of this distance here, the whole of this, there is a 70, meaning that for us to find the angle which is here, we have to know the angle which is inside. Okay, now how can we find the angle which is inside here, since the whole of this is 70? So to find the angle which is inside, we have to use this 80. You see, we have a circle like this. We have a circle. Okay, just a quick one. Then we have something like this. Okay, we have 80 here. Then we have another one outside. Okay, just for demonstration. So they are saying the whole of this angle is 70. So what I am saying, for you to find the angle which is here, we have to know x. Let's say if this is x, you see. Now, since this is the center, it also means that this angle, it is an isosceles triangle. Meaning if here there is x, also this side there is what? There is x. So this is what we are going to do. So we can just demonstrate here. We say 180, take away 80, then divide by 2. So why divide by 2? Because I've told you if you have 80 here, the angle which is here and this side, they will be same. In this case, I've used x and x. If you want, you can follow these dots. Okay, so 180 minus 80, that is 100. So 100 divided by 2, I'll find 50 degrees. Meaning that here, where there are dots, here there is 50. Here there is 50 degrees. Also here there is 50 degrees. You see that? I've put them outside due to space. Now, how can I find here where there is a black thing? Since the whole of this is 50, is 70. So for us to find this dot, we just have to say 70 minus 50. Then we'll be able to find that. Okay? I hope you are getting it. The whole of this is 70. So when we say x minus 70, I'll be able to find this angle. Okay? So this is what we are going to do finally. So we'll say, on C, we'll say OBD is equals to 70 minus 50. OBD, 70 minus 50, that is 20 degrees. Now we can show it here. We can just say OBD is equals to 20 degrees. That's all. So this is how it's supposed to be done. Okay. So it means that here there was a 20. Okay. Then x is 50. So 50 plus a 20 will get the whole of this, which is 70 degrees. Also, at that point, there is a 20. So 20 plus 50 will get a 70. That 70 is presenting the distance from here up to this side. So thank you for watching. Okay.